Hi, this video is exercise 1, part 1 on JavaScript, writing 5 functions that do 5 very different things, and when we run them, you wanted us to run them through the debugger in DevTools, so go ahead and get into it. First function reverses a number. So basically, just going to get rid of Visual Studio, I don't really need it. So reverse number passes through a number. My function then parses the float. Then it does number.toString, so it converts it into a string, which allows for split. Kind of says it all. Reverse also says it all. And then join basically puts it back into one long number again. This math.sign, what it does is it will go ahead and it'll return the sign in front of the original number provided. So if there was a negative, it'll still be negative. But we'll just go ahead and run this real quick. So we got reverse number. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it's easy to see that one. Go ahead and press enter. And we can see we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jumps right into the return value of 54321. And that's it. I'll show you the negative function. Okay, and that's it. We got negative 54321. The original number itself was negative. So it jumps us right on through. So we'll go ahead and get to the next one, which is palindrome, which I had no idea what palindrome even was. Basically writing a function that will take a string, pass it through, and determine whether or not it is indeed a palindrome word or not. So we'll go ahead and just get right into that. We'll do clear. We'll do dog, because we know that's one that is not going to be a palindrome. So it converts it to lowercase. Probably not necessary. And then it runs it through the replace. You can see we're still passing through dog. And get the return value of false. Okay. We'll do palindrome. We'll do one of the example ones, madam. Okay, so we have string madam. Go ahead and step. We already get the value of true. So we're good on that one. So that works. Move on to the next one, which is going to be combine. So this one, we wanted to combine all possible substrings. Not really combine, but we wanted to generate all possible substrings of a given word. I chose to call this combine. We'll do the example because we know there should be 6, which is already displaying the possible outcome. Go ahead and run it through here. So we got string dog, right? Then we have a for loop that will go ahead and run us through splitting up the individual word and creating the different combinations. So go ahead and pull off D first. We can see that. Got O. Got O. It's G. Position 2. Then we got dog. So we start off with our first substring is D. Then it runs through again. Adds O. Got DO this time. We got G. And it's just going to continue until we get to DOG, which that's actually interesting. I never knew it did that before. That's kind of cool. It'll break down the array for you. So that works for that. A 3-letter, basically the math.pow that I have in here returns the base of the exponent for the number. So like a 3-digit leaves an answer of 8. Minus 1 would be 7 because we have minus 1 here, right? And then 1 is equal to 1. So that leaves 6 as the total number of possible substrings. So like a 4-digit is, I believe, 14. Yes, 14. I won't run through all that again, but we can see, that works beautifully. Let's see. We are on alphabetical order this time. So it's going to take a string and convert the word itself, sort everything in alphabetical order. So we're going to go alphabetical order, and we'll do topical, because I'm watching the Dodgers game right now. We'll do Dodgers. We'll go ahead and enter. So we have the word Dodgers being passed through a string, and the return on that is DDEGORS. So basically what this does is it'll lowercase everything first, then splits each individual letter, then sorts it, and then rejoins it back into one, which we can see our outcome there. We'll do and it does the same thing, just ignores all the spaces, converts everything to one long string, and puts everything in order. And the last one is basically taking a sentence, a string itself, and then converting every first letter into a uppercase. So I will do the I'll do this. I like this better. All right. So what it does is go ahead and insert string is equal to this. So we got string.split. And what that does is converts that and puts it into an array. So you can see right there, let's is one index, go is another, and Dodger is another. We'll go ahead and step right into it. And we see X is 0. So it already went ahead and capitalized L. So that's the first. There's go, capitalized. Dodger's capitalized in the array. And then it will go ahead and recombine everything into one phrase. And finishes. So that does work. And that is it for now. Until next time, let's go Dodgers, and a hui ho.